Hello viewers, a lot of users have actually bought iPad during the festive seasons, but they are not getting good battery life and their usage experience is not that smooth. So in this video I will talk about some settings that you need to turn on and you will get great battery life and your usage experience will be excellent. The first setting that you need to do, go into settings and then display and brightness mode. There are many timeout modes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and never. I would suggest you to get the minimum timeout, that is 2 minutes. At the end of the day, it will conserve a lot of batteries. The next thing that you can do, go into settings and then search for App Store. In the App Store option, you need to turn off some features. The first thing that you should do is to turn off the app updates over Wi-Fi. You don't need to update every app. Whenever there is a need, you can update this app manually. Also uncheck in-app ratings and reviews. The third settings that you need to do by going into notification, you don't need all the notifications all the time. If you turn on all the notifications, it will distract you. So if you want a distraction-free usage experience, turn off the unnecessary notification in the app. You can turn off the badge and also the sounds, and if you don't any notification from that app, you can disallow notifications. So I would suggest you to go into the settings of that notification of that particular app, and which app you actually want, turn on the notification for that app only. It will give you a very good usage experience altogether. The next important settings that you need to do, go into general and after that go into background app refresh, and here you can see that I have turned off some of the app from background app refresh. Actually, if background app refresh is on for all apps, it will consume a lot of batteries and your battery will be drained within few hours. So in order to get a very good battery life, you just turn on those apps which you need to run in the background. The next thing that you can do, go into apps and then into Safari browser settings and scroll up like this, and you will see that there are two options. There is separate tab bar and compact tab bar. The default setting is separate tab bar. In this case, you can see that a lot of areas have been occupied on the top, so you need to select the compact tab bar. In this case, you can see that you will get more space for reading or doing any stuff on the Safari browser, and the apps are stacked like this. If you want gestures on your iPad, you need to go into multitasking and gestures. Here you have the option of 4 or 5 fingers gestures. Also swipe finger from corner. Now you can take screenshot by swiping from the left corner, and in this way you can take screenshot, and if you activate bottom right corner, you can access quick notes. Like this, you can access quick notes on your iPad. So this is a very good features. Hope you are liking this video. If you are liking this video, please hit the subscribe button and also like this channel so you can get more videos like this. Also, using 5 fingers you can close any app, and if you swipe slowly with 5 fingers you can access all the apps like this. So once you are habituated using these gestures, you will enjoy your tablet. And if you want gestures from 4 fingers, you can also do that. If you use your 4 fingers, you can switch between apps. Let me show you so that you can understand by yourself. I am using 4 fingers and I am switching the apps. So this is also a very good feature actually. The next important thing is turning off Siri. Actually, Siri takes a lot of battery as it runs in the background. Whenever you say something or whenever you want Siri to activate itself, it takes a lot of batteries. So you need to turn off Hey Siri. However, you can activate Siri by pressing the power button. So these are some settings that you need to turn on and turn off at the initial stage of using your iPad. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.